Welcome to Mommy's Kitchen, where Mommy cooks food, Filipino food. What you making, Mom?
Ginaling.
What is that?
Filipino Ginaling. Okay. First.
So you're dicing it?
Yeah, I'm dicing it.
Mom, your voice completely changes once I start recording you.
Really?
Like, she just never talks like that.
A little bit of this.
You put it on medium?
Mm-hmm.
Medium high?
Maybe. My mom is the best cook.
Okay, now it's started.
Stir it. Yeah, I'll just put a lot of it. Well, maybe you can take it home. I'm gonna put a little bit in there.
Save some? It looks really red on camera.
Really?
Yeah.
And garlic salt.
Boom.
Maybe two tablespoons. Something like that. Yeah.
Whoops.
More like two tablespoons. Yeah. Just massage it.
Massage it. By stabbing it with a paddle.
By stabbing it by a paddle. Until the thing is like separated. Put 2 tablespoons of paprika.
How many does this serve? This looks like a lot.
Yeah, for like 6 people. This, like nor chicken nor. Yeah, just 1 piece. And just mix it up there.
Turn off the heat.
I just turn it until I'm gonna cook slice this
Are you eating?
potato.
She's eating.
Slicing some potatoes. 2 potatoes. Ready? Potatoes, slice it this way. You hold it to make it square.
What the hell? What is going on?
Get in, boo!
He can't get up. That's so sad.
It's too fat. So you cut it slice sideways and you cut it this way.
Okay.
Okay. Right this way. Big carrot!
Gosh, that's actually a really big carrot.
Yo, carrot you. Ah. Right like that. You just have to.
Easier ways to do this is to julienne the carrot. This is quite interesting.
I used to be on the background on my phone.
Oh.
Aquarium.
Here.
Carrot. Cook it here first. Heat back
To
on.
what?
To that one.
To that one.
And wait until this one's cooked. And mix it up there. Cover up.
Walk versus top. Top loses. This is Mom's magic secret spam. At least it's light.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh my god, this guy. Don't die.
Oh, it nearly pinched me, and I will really be.
Olive oil. Right there. Probably is more like a tablespoon. Now we get the spam. You know, lightly brown.
A little bit.
Yeah, just brightening it. Yeah. Cooking it.
Poke it. Let's poke the carrot. Is it done?
Kind of soft now. Potato.
Potato.
Blue.
Back on.
Because if you don't mix it up, it will burn the bottom. 1 of this. Mix it up good. And spam. To mix it up. Turn off.
Off the heat.
And off the heat. There you go.
Mana.
Mana. Now we're gonna cook some rice.